Hello everybody, my name is Grandster and today we will be playing Sagittarian 2. I'm always stuttering. But this game will be the continuation of the last one, the Sagittarian. Because remember we went onto a stadium and this is what will happen after the stadium. So let's play. Here's what we know so far. Pretty much the entire city or country has been turned into zombies. The flesh-eating bastards don't give a damn about anything other than eating your face. There are the two kinds of group that your group has encountered. Sleepers, which just spring out of the darkness and grab you, and drifters. They roam around aimlessly searching for someone to kill. Both kinds are dicks. Runner, asshole. A more rare and more asshole-esque kind of runners. They spend most of their time on the roads and highways. They're fast and always on the move. They're only hard to kill in that they're hard to hit with a baseball bat, fire axe, or pump shotgun. Avoid it at all costs. Yeah, runners. Exploder. These guys just limp around waiting for you to whack them. Just avoid them. Don't even throw rocks at them. Don't give in to peer pressure. Okay, I won't. There are others. 15 months has passed. Yeah, going nice in this stadium. Oh, that's Sage. This is Dusty. Oh, what? Wait, what do you mean he doesn't lay any of the eggs? He's a rooster, Dusty. Rooster don't lay eggs. He's a chicken though, right? Chickens lay eggs. Yeah, but he isn't a hen, dude. He's a rooster. What? Only hens lay eggs. And not chickens? Well, yes, chickens do, but shit, didn't you ever go to school? Yeah, but in Florida. Well, what's wrong with Florida? Meanwhile, outside the stadium, this Nate guy is pointing at our stadium. That is bad. Oh, are those smokers? Oh, come on. Why did you do that? What the hell? Shit! Freaking explosions? Military? If not, this place is going to be swarming with zombies soon. Get the emergency bags, shit, run for the bus. Fuck leaving this our place, stand and find someone to stay behind and slow them down. Get the emergency bags. I've got Red Roscoe, the rooster, Anna. Get everyone to the bus, might have to vote. Oh, that's a lot of zombies. It's not the army. I made it with Roscoe. What's going on? You have to fight them. At least until everyone's on the bus. Get the guns ready. What the fuck is wrong with you, Ryan? Get a chicken. We already need a chicken. Otherwise we will have to hunt to eat. The chickens to live, man. So you have to fight them. Glorious. Yeah. Now that's the Sage I know. Let's get chopping. Yeah. Bonk. Double kill. Yeah. Keep fighting the horde until you're all dead. Grab Sage and run for the bus. Let's run for the bus, man. Sage runs to the door and you shot it behind him. Having planned ahead, there is some extra gasoline, food in the bus. You have a few weapons, meager handful of shotgun shells, and several people made it. Those things are crawling all over the bus. What do you want us to do? Shit, Shane, I didn't think you made it. Jesus skates. It's Shane. Why did you have to make it? Jesus skates. You don't need to be an ass. Who put you in charge anyway? I did. Oh Lord above. Let Sage live. Yeah. So what to do? Such many zombies outside. Sage should drive, Dusty and I will use the roof hatches to clear them. Shayna, you just sit in the front and keep it quiet. You're borderline worthless. Shane, you drive Dusty Sage and I will clear them from the bus. Hmm. If I Shane is a screw up. I don't want. You know what? Let Shane drive. Give the guy a chance. Yeah, look at smile Sage give. Sage laughter fills the air. Does it just see that? Just see me chop that one's head in half? You could see his brain. I begin to further question your stability, my friend. Shane Rex. Ah, that was our only bus, jackass. I'm tired of taking your shit, you fucking red hillbilly. Oh, why did you do that? Why did you do that even? We shouldn't have wasted time burying him. Chill. What the hell is wrong with you? We've got to act civil or we're not human. Calm down there, hot lips. I don't feel like taking second. Well, Shane was asking for it. We'll keep things calmer from here on. Everyone is going to calm down. Yeah, that's pretty much me. Civility is an illusion, always has been. And Shane damn well knew that what I was capable of, and he chose his words without accord. You're all welcome to leave, or you can follow me into the woods, and we can find shelter near the river. Yeah. Few people leave. Sage gives them their portion of supplies and tells them which way he thinks would be best. They do not listen. Some people, yeah, I kind of relate to this because most people are lost cause. And that's true, you can't save everyone. But you might as well try to save at least what you can. Save as many as you can, and if everyone's a lost cause, then so be it. Life isn't fair, man. A waste of resources. They'd be dead in a few days. We're going this way. We can use the river for food and save our stock. Yeah, but still, that's the most human thing to do, right? For several days, you use the river to live on. Sage catches fish with a pole and spear he made from wild bamboo. You don't encounter any undead on the river. I feel kind of bad I said that shit to Sage. Those people might not have left if I'd kept my fucking mouth shut. Shane had it coming. If they want to go die, it's their choice. Yeah, yeah. They choose to leave, don't sweat it. Sage might be unstable, but he's a survivor. Staying with him is the right choice. Look, Sage isn't bad. He just doesn't take shit. Just work hard and earn respect. I would be kind of a lackey. But this, this is really just me. If, if, if it comes down to everything, everything just fucked up and there's a zombie apocalypse in your face, this would definitely be me. I would sing something like this. Shane had it coming, yeah. Holy shit. We have to check it out. Yeah! Look at that badass River Rover. River Rover. What am I saying? River Rover? Yeah, it kind of fit the description. Search the surrounding woods while others explore the haunted death boat. I don't want to. I'll go with Sage. This is great. Reminds me of when my dad used to sneak me into the casino under his jacket. You can stuck. You can tuck a child into someone's jacket? Is that even possible? I'm no expert in this kind of thing, but shit, man, this is an old boiler. I think this thing could run if you fix some of the pipes and fill these tanks. But hell, old boats would run on river water. Maybe this one will too. Yeah, get the steamboat running. Surprisingly little trouble. Able to run on coal and wood, and you're able to move it up and down the river when you need. And there is plenty of space to live. A constant diet of fish gets old, but it keeps you alive, and the river offers safety from the walking dead. Also, there is lots of plenty of cars to pass the time. Oh yeah, get that riverboat running, man. And I want you also to see the other, because there are other endings to this, so let's get back some more. How about Sage Drive? I don't really feel good about this because I would be clearing this a lot of zombies, but got to take the chance than just letting Sage drive. That's stupid. You cleared the bus and bust out. Debbie was beaten. Anna, I'm sorry, but we have to leave her. We'll get that infected bitch off our bus before she kills us all. I'll be this guy. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Bonk. I, okay then. Man, that's too bad. I like her. Make me think of my grandma. Well, now what do you guys want to do? What do we need to do? Yeah, that's the right thing to say. Oh, you actually did something good. You say something good. Yeah, good job, Shane. We need to head to the country. Less zombies there. Yeah. Valid point. We're unlikely to find safe haven with such walls as a stadium. Infection, no doubt, is at its zenith now. Yeah, it would take out the stadium. Stadium is a good place, and then everything just fell apart. But, well, that's life. We could check a few truck stops. They often have canned foods and meds. Also, there is a better chance they won't have as many people as grocery store or such. We'll need a map to find a good place to try and survive this mess. Good plans. Truck stops and gas stations till we find a map, okay? Meanwhile, buy best. Best Buy. That's clever. That's clever, man. Rolla 95, Lebanon 130. Okay. That's the Nate guy. Is he kind of the leader? Attack him! Oh, Missouri badasses. What if we saw some politician that had been turned? Would you kill them? Are you serious? Of course I would, whether they were turned or not. What if it's a celebrity? Who? Jessica Alba. What if she was here right now, all zombified? Depends. How long has she been turned? Oh, are we getting there? God damn, young fuckers is nasty. Yeah, Shane is the entertainment guy. Very nice. There is a large pile up blocking the road. Run through the cars like a fucking badass. Hell yeah. Go off the road with the bus. Go around this mess, rock on party times. Try to walk a few cars out of the way, gentle like an old granny bus driver. I don't want to take any chances, so we're going here. Congrats, Grandma. Your old lady tactics somehow worked. You push a few cars out of the way and weave around the rest. Oh, so Anna's driving now. Grandma. Okay. You travel for a ways without event. Clunk. Oh, jeez, shit. Oh, the runners, yeah. They're all over the bus. I use the rear has tried to pick him up with a shot. No! No, I won't do that. Sage, you get the back hatch, I'll get the front. I know you drive. I'll do that. Let's kick some ass. Oh, neck kill. Boom, boom. Shotguns. Very nice. Kick ass. I can't believe how many of those fuckers there still are though. Seems they would have started to desiccate or something by now though. Yeah, what do you mean? Well, I mean, it's been, what, a year and a half or something? There's no way these things should still be around. An entire dead cow can vanish in a week. Good point there. Between feral dogs and shit, just fucking flies and maggots. These things shouldn't still be around. Something weird is going on. I mean, we all agree. They're like Walking Dead, right? So why the hell haven't they rotted away? Yeah. Do you think everyone else is dead? I doubt it, Shane. Really? I think not. Because people are good. People think. Nah, no way. Yeah. 15 people a year buy hunting licenses, so you know they're armed. Estimates suggest that at any one point there are 200 million guns in the States. I can't believe this shit managed to drag on for this long. There are plenty of normal people still out there. I'm surprised the army hasn't come in and bombed us all back to Stone Age. Yeah, that's what I think too. It's shocking they haven't come rolling into the cities just to recover the lost oil. I'm guessing somehow when shit started it hit several big cities at once. That is why we haven't seen intervention. They're just not here yet. Despite the maps and start checking out small towns. Find a little farm or something 50 miles from anything. Just wait this thing out like we originally planned. Sounds good. Gas station or truck stop. Truck, truck stop as planned. Yay. TLDR onward. Yay. Missouri badasses. Tiger still. Gas stop. Gas stop. Pull into the gas stop. Gas stop. Gas stop. Gas stop. Come on. Parking lot outside of Bourbon, Missouri. Check for additional fuel. Check the Peterbilt park to the side of the building. Check inside the store. Maybe we should hold up here for a while. Check the Peterbilt. Check the tank. Stifling for the bus. Nice one. Alright people, we're doing this in teams of 2. Watch each other's back. Seriously. Anna, Shane, you guys gather any food. If it has eggs or milk in it, leave it. Even if it smells good. Grab shit that's high in salt, spam, crap like that. That's very, very good suggestion because everything must have been spoiled by now. You find map of the state. Nice. Map of Missouri. Excellent work. Look at some of these places. They'd be perfect. Some of these towns in the Ozark Mountains have populations of like 200 people. Well, this is good news. We could clear the entire town. We could really survive out there. You and your crew head off to Berger, MO, to kill everyone there and make a life for ourselves, the American way. America! Oh, we went back. So I'm just going back a bit. And right, we're back here because I know there is another ending at this because Hypnosis said there would be three endings this episode at this sequel. of Sagittarian. So we'll go ahead and figure that one out. Run for the bus, everyone for itself. Yeah, we run for dust, make it safely. Out the window you see Sage has stayed behind to buy the others time to run for the bus as well. Everyone get to the bus. Fire some shots. Gunfire provides both cover warning for those just waking up. Many people make it, however, some of them do not. They took too long or simply underestimate the speed of the dead. Oh shit, Sage. Shit, Sage, he's still out there. Ah, the fuck are you supposed to be? Holas. Ah, I feel terrible for Sage. Why did I do this? Oh no, everything went wrong. Hydroplane on the water and hit the curb. Ah, gasoline fire starts. Good work. Yeah, we did. That's stupid. Someone should stay behind and slow them down. Not it, not it. Oh, go Shane. Here you go, Shane. Try to keep them distracted while we get out of here. Use this gas to start a big fire too. You don't want them following us. You're a champ, Shane. I'm not sure I want to do it. Put your face on me here. Oh my god. Just make your head stop creating sound, please. We'll go to the... We'll go be a good guy to Shane because he'll do us a great thing. This means a lot to us. Yeah. And stupid look. Well, okay. Oh, okay. Well, good luck. Right. Let's go! Left. No. We're all dead again. That didn't work. Emergency bus! Yay! Get the guns! You got electric shotguns, but you're saying do us a burning judgment. Yeah! Make yourselves heard in distance. A foggy reminder you hear people are loading onto the bus. What's that? It shoots daggers. No! I killed Shane. I mean Sage. Shane's a wimp. Sage's a badass. Aww. Oh, that. How do we get the other ending though? How about we do this and then honk? Nope, they still died. Go get Shane, weapons, and Shane drives. I think this is wrong. This is all wrong. Yeah, just start over. Yeah. This is our place. Let's get everyone on the bus. Hey, crazy, we gotta go. You warriors, stay behind. Oh, he looks like Leonidas. Now that I think of it. Think, yeah. Glorious. Their numbers are countless. Ah, my hand. You fight gloriously. You fight gloriously. And in distance you can hear the bus leaving. However, you cannot hold them off and you die. At least you protected the bus. I'll be the untold hero. Like that. How do we get... Look at the other ending. No, that didn't work. He went for himself for a few shots. Sage drives. Sorry, Anna. Wait a bit. Okay, so at the end I did got the other ending. Maybe it is on the next Sagittarian, the next game. I don't know, but I think that's it for now. So, what do you think, guys? Is it a good game? Because I think Hypnosis did a really good job at this Sagittarian, and the music. If you just get on into the music, I'll leave this game's link down below so you could just play it and hear the Bad Vibes music, because the music is really good. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like it, and if you want to say something, leave a comment down below. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Bye.